Previously.
Watch out, Josh. Seasoned fish. Sure.
Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to Josh Lifestyle JA. So today, put out a little post in my community section say which one of the video them gonna want next, and I say supermarket versus home cook. So I jump on high-low and I look for them recipe. Really what I did want to do, I did want to get one of the like the pre-season chicken, but like whenever I get forgotten, know I have to look online feed. So I get the recipe, so I'm gonna challenge them with my recipe and see which one of them tastes better. So stay tuned and watch how go on. Then it'll be a bang already. Make sure if you like, share, subscribe. About 20 pictures she take. Guys, I'm gonna mix up the food now. I'm gonna cook it now. I was just skylarking, you know. I'm gonna cook the food now though.
Which is we know, say, you know, a God on time, you know? God on time. Nothing happen before it's time.
Alright people, so first things first, we have the supermarket set, right? So, and this is gonna be my set. And we have all of the ingredients for the supermarket set. See the soy sauce, everything basically in a one spot. So I season them up and I'm gonna see what I go on. And I don't know, say I have the recipe on the side so you can see what I go on see me. Alright people, so we have the ingredients same time. And you know, so this is the supermarket batch. So it's a 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning first. So that first, 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Then it's 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Yeah. And then we have onion to blend it. So you know, I'm gonna just dice that up. But we just want to get the powdered seasoning and the, you know, black pepper and the salt. So it's a 1 tablespoon salt too. Yeah, and then alright guys, it looks like we mix up tablespoon and teaspoon, but I feel them labeling still. So we just get a little bit of salt. Yeah. This looks more like a teaspoon. And then we want some black pepper. That is a teaspoon of black pepper too. Yeah. And then we have 1 teaspoon of grace. So we just stay tuned out to that garlic. Odo. Alright, so Odo so far we do this. I love Papa Professional, bro. Yeah, see it in there, I almost put it in there. Alright, so let's just let's have it. Yeah, so I think that's it. We just need to get the natural seasoning parts out of it. But yeah, whoa, I forgot about this. Yeah, so we're mixing this, get them diced up. So just stay tuned and watch our going peeps. Don't know it I go bad. People, this is the supermarket one. Yeah. You look alright. So I'm gonna do mine now and I'm gonna see what I go on. Alright, so mine now. I'm gonna need a tablespoon, teaspoon foolishness. So eyeball. So I'll take an eyeball and I'll see how much you need to put. So yeah.
Why are you making
Making brown stew chicken. My dash, not sponsored, but you know, one of my favorite seasonings is. You know, we can't add too much because we don't want to overpower it. Yeah. And then, we are doing the natural seasoning, so stay tuned. I take deep breath.
Smell, I smell it now. I'm not eat bread.
Alright people, check in and see what I'm going. I just done wash scallion, same thing as me. Some like call it scallion for some reason. But yeah, I just get them diced up and then we add them for the chicken. Yeah, them say to blend it, but we don't have time for that. So that's them up really quick. So, see what I'm going. It's too deep. Alright. Just get them too close. Each. So these are the first one. Yeah. Yeah, people. See what I'm going. Alright people, so as you can see, we have some bell pepper, sweet pepper, and we are gonna add it to our one because apparently the supermarket not consider this as a necessity, so I just deal with this for our batch and then we're gonna see what I got. Yeah man, people, the nice skills are come on together, you see me? I'm not reach it yet, but eventually. Let's see how go on inside of the seasoning pan. Yeah? Yeah, people, so supermarket versus homemade, you see me? Yeah, so stay tuned on what you're going. So go mix in the natural seasoning. And then I want everything marinate perfectly so we can get the best flavor. And then I gotta deal with the supermarket version now. Guys, I did actually add too much seasoning, so I have to take out some. Because it's a teaspoon. I'm not put tablespoon, so I have to take out back some. But it's alright now, so yeah. Make some more one. Put them on. Here's me. So this is gonna be the supermarket and this is gonna be the homemade. So I have homemade and supermarket same. That is it. Yeah. Stay tuned on what you're going. And get 20 seconds. Make sure somebody was marinate good enough, because you never tell me say supermarket don't taste better. Me and you shop, me and you forget me say supermarket don't taste better. I test the waters. Guys, I just do all in one. I do all in one, so I had everything one time. Next one now, supermarket.
Sketch, you tell him.
Alright, people, check in. So right now we have the homemade on this side and the supermarket on this side. We can see the difference. Hopefully you can see the difference. So I'm gonna try it out now. I'm gonna see what I want. So stay tuned. Alright, people, I'm there. So the camera not foggy. Hold on, let's see. I'm gonna try my one first, as in I know.
And me too.
You gonna try here one?
Mm.
Me and Jess.
It tastes nice, sissy.
Me get the homemade.
Homemade.
8 out of 10. Now I'm gonna test the supermarket one now.
I just test the supermarket and the man said I'm not supposed to build.
Supermarket one, people.
Guess are 5.16.
I get the supermarket one.
Mommy, guess who care? 5.16.
7.5.
Because
Because honestly, it tastes good too, but because me have more herbs, me can kinda get a more exquisite taste.
I don't know why I'm that's sent to 7.5.
Yeah, this have a higher taste than this.
And me too.
Because the herbs would have absorbed some of the salt and So
You know?
yeah.
This tastes good.
You know?
That
is it for the video. Make sure if you like, share and subscribe. That is it.
Oh